Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's October the 28th, 2022. We are going to talk about Ethereum and try to figure out, is this currency breaking out? You guys can see already. Let me zoom on this price chart. You guys can tell that the market so far in Ethereum is bumping its head right now on this downtrend line. We're going to have to pay attention to the market overall in Ethereum over the next couple of days, because if it does break this downtrend line, then in fact the market may be breaking out. So we want to be prepared for that to happen. Now guys, check this out. I did a video in Ethereum on October the 19th, which is right here, and I was telling people on that particular video that I was looking for Ethereum to run up. You guys can see exactly what occurred. So yes, you can produce predictions and forecasts as to where you suspect prices to go without the confusion. This is just more proof and evidence that you can do this yourself as well. All right, so that's 12.71% was hit in the market on October 25th. If we were to get the market now in Ethereum, that's 15.5%. At the high of the market on that move, you guys can see it's around 22, almost 23%. Now let's get rid of it. Our attention now is going to be focused on what are the probability or the chances of us seeing Ethereum break this downtrend line. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to extend the downtrend line, because it's going to play an active role into where Ethereum is going to go, or at least how we should perceive what the market's going to do in Ethereum. I'm also going to extend this other trend line down here, because this is where the market squeeze is going to occur in Ethereum. Either way, the market is going to move. It's going to either break out to the upside, right? It's going to do that, or the market in Ethereum is going to break down. Either or, one of the two. So we need to be prepared for either situation. Now I'm going to give you all the most probable area that I'm seeing in which Ethereum is going to move, but I want you all to learn how to do this for yourself. All right, so check this out. This is Ethereum on the 5-day chart, okay? And right here on this 5-day price bar, I want to show you that this market in Ethereum was showing selling, right? Look at the volume. Look at how the 5-day price bar ended. All of this is conducive to show us that market is selling as it was approaching this downtrend line. So that is a hint that this market is hitting with more, or it's getting hit with more weakness, okay? You guys can see even here on the 3-day chart, it's even more prevalent that the market on the last completed 3 days did in fact get hit with some selling. So we are seeing that the market is not overly bullish. Yes, we did see the market run up on my last video, but now we're seeing sellers coming into the market because people obviously want to take profit. Look at this on the 2-day chart. That's even worse for us to notice that sellers are coming into the market. Now, given that we have seen sellers on the 2-day time frame, the 3-day and the 5, we need to see the market right here, because as we expect price to go down in Ethereum, we have this bag right here. This ascending line could catch the market move down, meaning we could see the buyers come in on the short-term ascending line. Okay, so yes, we need to pay attention to see how weak the market in Ethereum really is, because what I'm trying to tell you from my perspective is that this market is not ready to break out. Basically, with the high volume that we're noticing over the last couple of days, with us seeing the price bars closing off of the highs, yeah, the market currently is not prepared to break out. Now, I want you all to see this as I zoom out, because this area right here could be the position to where buyers can come back in this particular space and hold up Ethereum. Okay, so that's around $1,425, $1,425, maybe even $1,450. That's the closest spot that we need to see the buyers come into the market in Ethereum in order for us to switch back over and say, yeah, the market may actually break out now, because the buyers came right back in and started buying Ethereum at $1,425 or $1,450. That would give us a definite answer that the market's going to break out to the upside. But we need to wait and see that occur though. Until that happens, our idea of looking for Ethereum to run down is still there. Okay, it is still there. So what I'm actually seeing here on a 3-weekly chart is that the market may actually consolidate. You guys can see from $1,000 all the way up here to 1,800 would be that consolidational range for us to see the market in Ethereum consolidate. We could definitely see that in a long term. So not only can we see price in Ethereum break down, not only can we see the market in Ethereum break out, we can also see it consolidate. So let me show you all the hourly time frame real quick, and then I'll go ahead and draw the price prediction as to what I'm suspecting the market in Ethereum to do. So this is the 1-hour chart. So right now, even on an hourly intraday basis, I'm looking for the price to go down. Okay, now we got 1480, even 1460. And then my third price target would be like 1450. Those three areas would be price targets that I would be eyeing the market in Ethereum running down towards, because the market currently is reflecting right here that profit taking was going on, that people were in the market taking some profit. And right now the buyers are not showing up. They're not being seen on the price chart. So we're going to continue to place some weakness into the market in Ethereum real quick. It's not going to be a massive drop. I really want to set that expectation out on this video. That first price target, like I said, is around 1480. Okay, it's only 1.44%. My second one's around 1460. That's 2.81. And then that third one, let me push back on the daily, it's going to be around 1440. Okay, so what I'm looking at is actually us expecting the buyers to try to come in and hold this trend line. That's what I'm looking forward to. Because if that happens, then once the market hit our price targets, then we can actually see the market break out. But if it doesn't, let's say that it doesn't hit our price target, we're still good because we're expecting the price to go down anyway. Anywhere outside of 1440 to the downside is even more profit right there, because we're already expecting the market to run down anyway. Okay, so those price targets again, the first one is 1480, the second one is 1460, the third one's around 1440. And if we don't hold 1440, then we already know that we could go anywhere lower than that. Yeah, so I'm here. Give me your thoughts. What is your price prediction, your price target into the market in Ethereum, and let us know, where are you expecting the market to do? Make sure you maintain the profitability. Hit that like button instead of being also subscribe, because this is not a complicated job, a complicated game. It's relatively simple.